Hi everyone, welcome to the Lab 5 demonstration of Apache Kafka implementation. So this is group 8 and my team members are Diane, Dilshan and myself Hanif Mohammed. So the we have in this as part of this course we have done a case study on Coca-Cola's ERP and CRM. So for this particular use case, I'm gonna create a proof of concept for an ordering service. So here the producer would be would be Coca-Cola, and the consumers would be either vendors. And I'm going to simulate the ordering process by like sending a post request. I have created a Spring Boot application, and I will be sending a post request, first post order request, right? And whenever this order request is received, the producer would be sending a message to Kafka to the topic called as order. And whenever there is update to this Kafka topic, the consumer, which is the vendor, would be subscribed to this topic, and it will get an update on the order status or the total amount of payment that needs to be done, all such information. So let's go into the demo. So this is my Confluent dashboard, and I have created an account from my personal accounts, and we have a cluster that is running. So we just have a test topic, but the topic which we will be demoing or would be this orders topic, and we have a producer client that is associated, and we have a couple of test consumers. But the consumer that I will be my application would be is integrated to is this consumer Coca-Cola vendor, right? So I will go to my code base. I am having, as I said, I have having a Spring Boot application. So we have a producer application class, controller, we have a producer and a consumer, and we also have an order DTO, which is the order Pojo class. So whenever this application is started, we have yeah, as I said, we have producer controller class for simulating the ordering process. So I have one endpoint called publish, which will get this data, and it will then call the producer.send message. The producer.send message will will get this, will just update the status, the total price. And I have injected this Kafka template service, and we are having the topic called as orders. So it will be sending, whenever this method is called, it will send a message to this particular topic, and it will send this order as the message. And if this message is successful, I'll be printing produced message, and this result that is coming in like with the result, like whenever this message is called, it will call return as the result object. So I will just print that result, and if there is any failure, I'll be printing the failure message. We have this consumer class as well, which is also defined as a service, and it will be listening to the topic orders. And I'm just giving some naming, Coca-Cola vendor and a group ID, in order to differentiate it from the other consumers that we have. And whenever it receives a message, it will print it out. And if we have an order DTO class, which just accepts an order ID, product, quantity, total price, and status. As far as, yeah, so I'll just restart my application. So my application is running in localhost 8080. So let's go to my Postman, and I just have defined one order. So I will have it update to 48, and I will have the quantity as 50, right? And we don't need to define the other parameters because they are auto set. Now I'm going to send a post request, and the message has been sent. And if you come here, we have the console that then produced message, which is the send result object that is given by Kafka. It shows us the value, which is the order DTO 48 pack, quantity is 50, and the total price is 600, and the payment status is payment pending. When this was sent, the consumer class, again, it listened to this. While listening to this topic, it printed out the message, which is order DTO 48 pack, core 50, 400, and status pending. Now we'll go and see the same thing in the Confluent dashboard. So if you go to the topics, and if you go to orders, if you go to messages, it's loading the messages. And yeah, so at 2:20, which now it's 2:21, it has sent the message, and the message was the order DTO. It's showing 48 packet, quantity is 50, payment status is pending. So this was the message that was sent to this particular topic. And yeah, even if you go to the producers, and if you go to the topics it is doing, which is the orders topic, at 2:20 it was able to send the message. If we go back and see the consumers, we have the consumer Coca-Cola vendor one. And if we go to the topics, orders, consumptions, at 2:21 again there was at 2:20 there was a particular message that was received. So yeah, that's all. Okay, before I end, I just want to show that we have also in the topics, as part of the orders topic, I have also added the schema as well of this particular order DTO. And with that, this is all for the demo for this particular lab 5. Thank you so much.